How to transfer NotCoin from Ton wallet to your Bybit. Before we start, if you are interested in securing your cryptocurrencies, you can check out Ledger's hardware wallets by clicking the link in the description below. So start by opening up your Bybit application and head over to your wallet or assets on the bottom right of your screen. Then you're gonna need to click on the withdraw option. Now once you are on this page, you just need to search for your NotCoin just like so and click on it. Now you need to open up your Townkeeper wallet at the same time, and then you're just gonna need to go for the NotCoin. Now if you cannot see this, you can click on buy and sell option and simply buy the note from the Mercurio. By clicking on it, you can simply click on open Mercurio and follow the on-screen instructions to purchase your NotCoin. Then you will have your wallet address just like Toncoin. Then you can simply go back to your Bybit and simply paste your address. Network will going to be Ton by default, so you just need to enter the amount. Make sure to go with a smaller amount first of all, like $5 to $10. Once you receive into your Townkeeper wallet, you can then proceed further to a larger amount. So hope this helps. This is how you can transfer NotCoin from Ton wallet to Bybit.